We are here to replace this furnace, which is about 19 years old. It's an old Kiprite, and we show you the whole process. And stay with us. This is the furnace that we are replacing to the high efficiency Lennox brand. So there is a condensation pump here because there is no floor drain. We're gonna hook that one back. But first, what we're gonna do, we already turned the power off by the main breaker, and we're gonna disconnect the power. Then we're gonna disconnect the gas pipe. First, we have to shut the gas off, and then by the union, we open it, we disconnect it from the furnace. And after that, it comes for the exhaust fan. From here, we can open it or we can cut it from here, depends how do you like to take it, because later on we have to hook up the same pipe back. And we're gonna unlock the return from here. We're gonna unscrew it, and for the top portion for the duct is gonna be unscrewed, and we lift it up a little bit, or we take the whole sheet metal completely out. So we're gonna go one by one. So furnace is completely out, and we have this one now here. Ready? All right, the job is done. The drain has been installed. All the sheet metal work, which we had no choice. It was not really well.